10th and 12th results were declared on 13th May. Out of 23,85,079 students registered for CBSE 10th board exams, 23,71,939 students appeared for the exams. For class 12th, 17,04,367 students registered. The students worked hard and achieved top ranks in the school, in the country, in state and district level. Let's meet the toppers of the Orient International School and learn more about them. Hello, I am Sonali and you are watching Jagriti India News Channel. Today we have come to Orient International School to meet the topper students here and learn about them. Okay. First, we introduce every student. Start.
Hello, my name is Sohini Saxena and I study in class 12. My stream is PCB and I have scored 80% in my class 12 board exams.
Hello, my name is Manya Pawar and I have scored 83.4%.
Greetings, my name is Akansha Tiwari. I am in my junior year in high school and an exultant student of Orion International School. I have scored 92% in my 10th board examinations.
My name is Jeet Kushma and I'm studying class 12C and my percentage is 83%, subject humanities.
Hi, my name is Junaid Kuzba. I recently completed my class 10 with with a good percentage in Orion International School.
Myself Shlok Rathore and I got an 83%. I am Sarthak Pada and I scored 93% in 10th board examination.
Hello, my name is Hemant Srivastav. I am from class 12 board. I recently did 12 board exam from our international school and scored 84%.
Hello everyone, my name is Madiha Khan and I scored 88% from PCB stream from Orion International School.
Thank you and welcome to you all. First, what do you like about your school?
One thing that I like most about my school is that my principal and all my teachers have been very supportive throughout the year and they have provided me with every opportunity, every facility that could have been provided by the school. And they also engaged me in most of the extracurricular activities, and that is one plus point because I get to refresh my mind from all the studies that I have been doing, the whole hard work and everything. I really appreciate my principal and my teachers for giving me the best.
The faculties over here are interactive and very supportive. I have to say that they make people feel welcome, most of all. Yeah, that's what I like about the school.
Something that makes my school distinguishable is certainly the staff, all the teachers and my principal. They are more than just mere instructors. They are more like a family to me and I am really, really grateful for all the teachers, all the staff members for being undeniably supportive and uplifting. Thank you.
I really like my teachers because they always support me and help me to score very well.
I love the friendly environment of our school and every teacher is very supportive and they encourage us to score good marks.
Orion International teachers are very supported and having good environment, friendly, that are very good. For me, the best part of the school definitely has to be the teachers because they explain the topic in a different way. And for whenever I face a doubt, they help me to clear my doubts.
For me, I like the discipline in school, which helped me a lot of studies. And the teachers are very supportive of our international school.
The thing I like the most about our school is the teachers and the environment that the school provides. The teachers are very encouraging and the environment is very nurturing, which pushes the students to grow and to be better in all aspects.
Thank you. This is your school. And how did you achieve such a good marks?
I had to obviously revise all my subjects one after the other a million times, I guess. And also my teachers have helped me clear all my doubts and have made me a lot more confident in my work than I previously was. So that was a key to my success.
Well, the key to success is practice, revision, regularity, and hard work.
I have incorporated a regime of discipline, accuracy, and hard work. But the best part about all this would be mentors and the guidance of all my teachers.
मैं सबसे ज़्यादा ये देखना चाहता मतलब ऐसा है कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा कम आता था और मैं ज़्यादा स्कोर नहीं कर पाता था, बट मैंने ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करा और ज़्यादा अपने टीचर्स की सलाह ली, उसके बाद जाके मैं अच्छा स्कोर कर पाया।
Obviously teacher encouraged me to score good because before in 9th class I am not too good student. I scored like 69 something, but in 10th I scored 87 because of the teachers. They encouraged me to score good marks, and it's my hard work, so that's why I got.
Discipline, hard work, and consistency is the real key of success. That's why I scored 83.
Well, I seriously started studying in November, December, and I studied regularly and reviewed my notes, and that ultimately led to me scoring 93%.
I was able to do revise regularly and read the chapters, each chapter regularly. So I'm able to do best technique to do.
Like everyone says, consistency is the key. So it was definitely the key. It helped me from getting panicked in the last minute before exams, and also revision is also very important. So revising daily helped me a lot, and obviously the guidance that I received from my teachers and mentors was a very big help.
Now tell me, is any specific study strategies you have?
No, I do not have any specific study strategies, but for sure, if I talk about a few days before my exam, I have to prepare short notes for the particular topic so that I can revise all the chapters and all the subjects in a shorter while. And mind maps help me a lot. And in physics, if I talk about physics, then there are no shortcuts or particular strategies. You have to attempt the questions and everything. So
Well, the key was revision. I used to go home and then I used to revise what was covered that day, and I did 4 hours of study each day.
I employed the regimen of the crystal ball method. Basically, before any examination, I used to map out key concepts, and then I would ask myself, if I were to make a mistake in this concept, where would I make the mistake? And then I would try to sort out my flaws, and that's how I was aware of all my blind spots. I also use the Feynman technique, the Pomodoro methods, and like she said, revision is certainly the key.
To achieve good percentage, self-study is more important because without self-study we do not achieve a good marks. Especially my teacher Tripti ma'am helped me, and making small notes and short notes will help me most and score very good marks.
I usually make short notes and underline keywords and revise it daily.
The mind maps and the short notes are very good strategy for studying. That's why I got a good mark.
Well, I studied regularly and made notes of every chapter, and before the exams, I reviewed them notes carefully, and that helped me a lot.
I used to solve sample papers and PYQs prior to 2 board exam, prior to 2 months before board exam, and practice lot of questions in accountancy.
My strategy for theoretical subjects was that after completing a chapter, I would make short notes right away. So they would really help me in last minute revisions. And if I talk about the practical subjects like physics and chemistry, practicing questions is definitely the key. So solving previous year questions and also other guides help me a lot.
Now, do you participate in any activities out of your studies or outside of?
I, of course, do participate in activities outside my study zone, and I sing a lot. And yeah, singing is my hobby, and I also dance. I have participated in a lot of dance activities in school, for example, Teachers' Day and annual functions and Sports Day, etc. So yeah, I do participate in activities outside of the school and as in school as well.
Well, I did pursue classical vocal singing. I did my third year degree from Raja Mansin Tomar University.
In my sophomore year, I have not undertaken any specific activities, but I do enjoy and enthrall in writing poems. And also, I entered Model United Nation clubs, I did debate competitions, and have also actively been a part of Taylor Hope Foundation NGO.
Actually, I engage in fine arts and painting also because they are the best way to express my feelings and my expectations, because this is so easy to express my own feelings and all emotions.
I like drawing, painting, all these stuff.
I didn't have specific activities, but I used to play cricket for refreshment.
While I did participate in other activities outside of studies, like I went out with my friends for a walk and played badminton with them, and that helped me refresh my mind.
Well, I did not participate in any sports outside of the school.
The activities that I participated outside of the school was definitely dancing. I love dancing. I also participated in a lot of dancing competitions in the school. And other than that, I love sketching and anything which is art related, and also reading books.
Now tell me, what would you recommended any books or online resources for the reference?
I do not recommend any books or any online resources because your teachers have constantly been giving their efforts to you, and I guess they have constantly put efforts that help you score the marks that I have already scored.
Well, I would recommend going through the NCERT exemplar and practice as much as you can.
I would recommend S-Chan particularly for physics and chemistry, and if you're an avid explorer of biology, please check out Amoeba Sisters on YouTube.
NCERT is the best, and please read it carefully and go through the book by many times. 5 से 6 बार से ज़्यादा तो read करनी ही पड़ेगी NCERT.
I prefer NCERT and I recommended NCERT is something. NCERT is good, and I prefer YouTube channels like The Grasser because they teach SST very well.
There is no need to take any book. NCERT is enough. So go through NCERT, but the core is important.
Well, I can't really recommend any books, but I can only tell what books I used for myself, and I used NCERT Exemplar and Postwal Question Bank.
I prefer TS Girivar in accountancy subject and business Sandeep Garg. Economics also Sandeep Garg.
For subjects like biology and psychology, NCERT is the best. It is enough. But if you want to practice questions of chemistry and physics, then you can go through with any previous year question paper book like Exam Idea.
Okay. Now, do you have any pursue a specific career and why?
I have attempted NEET this year, and I want to be a doctor, and that is because I want to help people. It's not because of the money. I want to help people. I want to cure diseases, and that is why I want to be a doctor.
Right now, I'm looking forward to cracking NEET.
If you would ask me, I would definitely say observational astrophysics is the go-to for me. I would like to contribute to my country, and I would like to make India have a huge stand in the field of astrophysics.
मैं अच्छे करियर ऑप्शंस तो नहीं जानता, बट मेरे को ऐसा है कि मेरे को एक सक्सेसफुल मैन, अच्छा आदमी बनना है अपनी लाइफ में.
I wanted to become a merchant navy officer. That's why I pursue maths and PCM. And
I like AI and machines. That's why I wanted to become machine learning engineer.
Well, I have opted for PCM in my 11th standard, and I am looking forward and studying to crack JEE.
I want to pursue chartered accountant to give best advice to the citizens of India.
I've also attempted NEET this year, so of course I want to be a doctor. But even if that's not possible, I really love biology, So I would love to be I would love to make a career in any field which is related to medical and biology.
So this is your future plans. Okay. Now, is there any guru or mentor who has inspired you very well?
There are no specific guru or mentors. All my teachers have been a constant inspiration and they have supported me through all my highs and lows. They have always been there for me, and even if I had any doubts, even if I felt like I was the dumbest person on the planet, they have constantly supported me and motivated me to bring my best out.
For me, my guru and my mentor was my mother. She was there to support me through my highs and my lows. She was always there to increase my self-confidence, and she always motivated me.
For me, the best mentor I had was my father. He was hell bent on getting rid of my insecurities, and he is the sweetest person in the whole universe for me. And I would also like to thank my teachers. They guided me, supported me. They were very, very uplifting, motivated me each and every step of the way.
Actually, Tripti ma'am is more than supportive all the teachers because they provide me notes, and specifically they help me to revise questions and answer in school. they ये अलग से टाइम निकाल के मेरी मदद करती थी कि ऐसे पढ़ोगे तो इससे अच्छा मिलेगा, और नीना मैम ने भी बहुत सपोर्ट करा था पढ़ाई के लिए। तो
I'm inspired by teachers, and Nina ma'am helped me a lot in my studies, obviously in SST.
My parents and teachers are very supportive. They uplifted me to score 83%, and it was good.
Well, I don't have any specific mentor or guru, but every teacher is kind of like a mentor to me. They pushed me and helped me to study well.
Well, my mentor was my brother and a sister, and they inspired me throughout the journey. And the teachers, especially Anubhuti ma'am and Shailesh ma'am, they guided me they helped me in overcoming my depression and when I was in anxiety depression.
I don't think I can name a specific name. All the teachers were helpful throughout the year. They cleared my doubts whenever I had one. And other than that, my parents and my brother, they were very, very supportive, and they were there for me each and every time, and they never pressured me to, just study. So I'm really grateful for them.
Now, finally, would you like to say anything and share any message to others?
One message that I would like to share to everyone is that पढ़ाई के आगे भी जिंदगी है, पढ़ाई के आगे भी दुनिया है. You don't have to force yourself into studies if you don't like it. Hobbies होती है, you can do singing, dancing. There are a lot of career options in life, and you need to refresh yourself. You need to go out on the weekends with your family. You need to refresh yourself. सिर्फ पढ़ाई करके there is nothing in the world that you can achieve.
To all the upcoming generations, I would like to say that I wish you all a very good luck for your future endeavors.
I wish the best to my upperclassmen and my underclassmen as well. I would like to say that please be consistent in your efforts. Please work hard, and please don't be pressured by society. Their opinions do not define who you are. Please be comfortable in your skin. Thank you.
My suggestion is please read NCERT carefully and prepare all subjects thoroughly and written also, because my mistake is मैं सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ने में ध्यान दिया पर मैंने लिखने में ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो मेरा छूट गया था बहुत ज़्यादा. तो तुम्हें ऐसा है कि तुम्हें लिखना भी बहुत, मतलब लिख के प्रैक्टिस करोगे तभी जाके तुम अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाओगे.
I would like to share that stay motivated, stay confident, and set the targets that you want to achieve and work hard for that.
There is no need to study 10 to 12 hours, but study little more focused and set small goals.
Well, my opinion or advice for other students will be that there is more to life than studying. But if you want to score good marks in any standard, then you have to study regularly and decide your goal for life.
I want to give message to juniors that they should be focused on 12th board, because 12th is the base for your future plans. And they should practice lot of questions, because if we can't practice, we can't write in exam. there's a line say practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.
The message that I would like to give is that do not be too tensed, do not be too pressured. You don't have to study 10 to 12 hours a day. If you feel frustrated, relax, go out for a walk or do whatever you love. And in the end, it's all about consistency. So if you study even just 1-2 hours daily, I think you will be able to do really better.
Now tell me about yourself.
My name is Avril Jain. I just passed out from class 10th and I am from Orion International School.
My name is Priyanshu Kumar. I'm same 11th में आया हूँ.
Finally, would you like to say anything or share?
No. मतलब हाँ, hard work is the key for success and you must grind hard to score a decent grade.
Time management बहुत important होता है.
Finally. So we have to meet today Madiha Khan, Sarthak, Jeet, Manya, Akanksha, Samarth, Anirudh, and Sohini and Priyansh, Aviral. Okay. These was our toppers of Orion International School. This was our interview with the 10th and 12th toppers and their study strategies. This was our interview with the 10th and 12th toppers and their study strategies. We wish them a bright future. Stay tuned to our news channel, Jagrat India, for updates from Orion International School. Thank you and goodbye.